Hello everyone, welcome to Noka's Code. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through some essential JavaScript array methods and briefly explain what each one does. Let's get started. The forAch method executes a function for each element in the array. Here, it logs each item individually. Next, the map method creates a new array with the results of calling a function on every element. Here, we square each number. The filter method creates a new array with all elements that pass the test implemented by the provided function. Here, we filter out the even numbers. The reduce method reduces the array to a single value. Here, we sum up all the numbers. The find method returns the value of the first element in the array that satisfies the provided testing function. Here, we find the first even number. The findIndex method returns the index of the first element in the array that satisfies the provided testing function. Here, we find the index of the first even number. The includes method determines whether an array includes a certain value among its entries. Here, we check if the array includes the number 3. The every method tests whether all elements in the array pass the test implemented by the provided function. Here, we check if all numbers are positive. The sum method tests whether at least one element in the array passes the test implemented by the provided function. Here, we check if any number is negative. The slice method returns a shallow copy of a portion of an array into a new array object. Here, we get the first 3 elements. The concat method merges 2 or more arrays. Here, we extend the original array with additional values. The join method joins all elements of an array into a string. This is great for creating a single string from array elements. The reverse method reverses the array in place. It's useful for flipping the order of elements. The sort method sorts the elements of an array in place and returns the array. You can provide a compare function for custom sorting. The push method adds 1 or more elements to the end of an array and returns the new length. It's handy for appending items. The pop method removes the last element from an array and returns that element. Use it when you need to remove and use the last item. The shift method removes the first element from an array and returns that removed element. It's useful for queue-like operations. The unshift method adds 1 or more elements to the beginning of an array and returns the new length. This is great for prepending items. The splice method changes the contents of an array by removing or replacing existing elements and/or adding new elements in place. It's powerful for modifying arrays. The indexOf method returns the first index at which a given element can be found in the array, or -1 if it is not present. This helps in finding the position of an item. Finally, the lastIndexOf method returns the last index at which a given element can be found in the array, or -1 if it is not present. It's useful for finding the position of an item from the end. These array methods are incredibly useful for handling and manipulating arrays in JavaScript. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Noka's Code for more quick coding tips. Thanks for watching.